Today, we will talk about how to decorate tree stumps. Let's have a look at the details. If you had to cut a tree down in your yard, you might be wondering what to do about that unsightly stump that was left behind. Luckily, there are many different ways that you can decorate your stump so that it's an attractive addition instead of an eyesore. Make a planter out of your stump if you love gardening, or make your stump into a fairy house or a mosaic if you're artistic. The first method is making your stump into a planter. Use a chainsaw to level the top of the stump. The top of your stump may not be flat and smooth, but it will need to be in order for you to make your planter. Turn a chainsaw on and then cut off the top 1 to 2 inches as evenly as possible. Cut the perimeter of the planter with a jigsaw. After you've created a relatively smooth, flat surface, use a pencil to draw a circle onto it as big as you'd like the planter to be. Hollow out the center with an axe. Use an axe to break up the wood located inside of the outline you made. Weaken the wood with a drill. Once you've broken up and removed a lot of the wood, start using a drill to drill holes in different spots within the circle outline you created. Use a hammer and chisel to chip away at the weakened wood. Look around the inside of the stump for wood that still needs to be removed. Drill drainage holes into the sides of the stump. To prevent root rot in your plants and flowers, you'll need to drill some holes into the bottom of the planter. Fill the stump with soil and plant your flowers. Get a well-draining potting soil that's rich in compost and fill your planter with it. Then, plant whatever plants you wish to have in your stump planter. The second method is building a fairy house. Attach a door and windows to the outside of the stump. To make a basic fairy house, you'll need a very small door and a few tiny windows. Set a roof on top of the stump. Decorate the outside with fairies and accessories. Collect small natural decorations for the outside of the fairy home, such as pebbles and twigs. Use these things to make cute additions to the outside of the home, such as a little walkway leading to the front door. Go online and purchase 1 or 2 fairies and several accessories, such as tiny wagons or benches, to set in front of the home. And the third method is making a mosaic on the stump. Sand and seal the surface of the stump. In order to make your mosaic, you must have a flat, smooth, waterproof surface to work on. Run a piece of sandpaper back and forth all over the surface of the stump to flatten any sharp edges. Then, coat the surface of the stump with a waterproof sealer to keep the stump from absorbing moisture and expanding and contracting as a result. You want to prevent this because it can cause your mosaic to crack. Draft your design in pencil. Use a pencil to draw the image that you're planning to create onto the surface of the stump. Crack your tiles into pieces. Continue doing this to all of the tiles that you plan to use in your mosaic. Squirt wood glue onto the stump surface and push down a tile piece. Repeat this process while creating your entire mosaic. Use a spatula to apply grout to the surface of the mosaic. Once you've glued down all of your tiles, let the glue dry for 24 hours. Then, scoop some sandless grout onto a flexible spatula and apply the grout to the entire surface of your mosaic. Wipe it smooth with the spatula so that the application is desirably even. Let the mosaic dry completely. After about 24 hours, the grout should be dry. At this point, you'll need to clean the grout off of the tiles. Spray white vinegar onto your mosaic. Then, wipe the surface of the tiles clean with a cloth. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.